Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Vanguard error 185. So let's get started. Now for the first step, you want to go to the Windows bar and then right click and select Task Manager. From here, go to the search and type in Riot and ensure that every application is running. You just need to select right click and then end task. By that you are stopping the services from running. Now for the next step, go to the search bar. After that, go to Control Panel. After that, select Programs, which is an uninstalled program, and search for Riot Vanguard, right click and then select uninstall. Next, go to the search bar again. You need to select settings. In the left menu, go to apps and then select uninstalled apps. In the search apps, you just need to search for Riot and make sure to uninstall it from here. Now once you do all of that, the next step is to search for services. So type in services. And once this pop up, you just need to select any service and then type in V in your keyboard. By that, look for VGC, which is probably the first option. Double click and then switch the startup type from manual to automatic and then select on start under the service status. After that, select apply and OK. Now search for system configuration. Go to the third tab, which is services, and then make sure to hide all Microsoft services. Look for VGC again and ensure the service is running by checking the tick box right here. After that, select apply and OK. Now for the last step, you want to go to the League of Legends launcher and just update the client and make sure to restart your computer. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and see you on the next one.